I'm Pat Daugherty. I'm the pastor at Dumas Memorial United Methodist in Marysville in South Arkansas. And I loved the grandness, how many people were here and eager to learn how to serve better. So I felt encouraged just because of the quantity and the quality of everybody wanting to serve. It's neat.
All right, who are you?
I am Mike Wilkie. I'm the pastor of East Phillips County Parish, which are the three churches of Elaine, Helena, and West Helena, located in Phillips County, Arkansas. And I have actually been humbled in the sense that I thought that I was pretty radically hospitable, and I thought I was reaching outside the boundaries of the church, but I've learned that I've just taken baby steps and need to break a whole lot of walls down. It's a great opportunity here, great people, met people from Fiji, from so many different states in the United States, Honduras, Ecuador, Peru, met one from Germany, and so it's truly showing we're a connectional people, the United Methodist Church, and I'm just blessed to be here and thank the Arkansas Foundation for their support.
Hey, I'm Fran Guthrie from First United Methodist Church, Arkadelphia. This was my first big conference and it was amazing. I mean, I do children's ministry and their staff is just, they were wonderful and helped me so much. And I love talking to people from all over the place. And worship last night was awesome. Bagpipes and handbells and orchestra and praise band and huge choir. It was just awesome. Thank you for letting us come up here.
Hi, my name's Mike Meeks. I'm the youth minister at First United Methodist Church in Arkadelphia. The one thing I took away from this was that it's nice that a church like Church of Resurrection has not just run off and left the rest of us, that they are willing to say, we haven't figured it all out, but we've figured some things, and they're willing to share and make sure that we're all being equipped. I'm also very grateful for the foundation, for the importance of continuing education. But sometimes you've been in ministry a long time, you kind of get in a rut. And it's nice to come and get refreshed and renewed by seeing that you're not in the boat alone. You're in the class with people from all over the place in United Methodist that sharing their struggles and their joys and all that. So thank you for that. It's been an awesome trip.